In a valley where time itself seems to pause, there stands a cottage woven from ivory and gold, and the keeper of this place is Lila, older than the stars yet forever young. Wherever she walks, flowers remember how to bloom. Mamacita, gentle soul and keeper of tenderness.
This is Lil Man, the brave heart of the family. Foxy, the proud father who taught them all to be strong. And Gigi, the uncle who taught. Every morning, Lila sings the song the forest taught her long ago. Mamacita feels the song in her soul. Lil Man listens with all his brave heart. Even Foxy, the strongest of them all, finds peace. Gigi dreams the sweetest dreams. Together, they are family. In this moment, nothing can ever break them. This is where our story begins. In these perfect days, love blooms in the simplest ways. Lil Man brings his gift, a token of his endless affection. Together they feast and play, hearts forever entwined. From the porch, Lila watches over them like a guardian of dreams. One stormy evening, thunder rumbles. Mother and uncle. Lucy, why again? Days blur into shadow. The light of joy fades from the valley. Mamacita's heart was a storm she could not escape. Lil Man refused to let grief win without a fight. He gathered the prettiest flowers, hoping beauty might stir her soul. From the lake's depths, he fought for the biggest prize, to bring her back. Lila watched from the shadows, whispering words of enduring hope. Love must find a way. Days melted into muted shadows. Where joy once danced, now only echoes. Lil Man tried everything, starting with the beauty of the earth itself. From the depths he fought, slipping and struggling for a spark of hope. Memories couldn't pierce the veil, as Lila whispered from afar. Love must find a way. As twilight deepens into sorrowful indigo, Lil Man vanishes once more into the shadow. Under the rising moon, he returns, battered but unbroken in spirit, in his jaws, the greatest gift of all, a piece of their beginning. The memories flood back like a gentle dream to miss them. The dam finally breaks, and love pours through the cracks. In the quiet night, they find each other again. Under the watchful stars. In the quiet cradle of night, healing wraps them like a gentle dream. As the sun rises, the world awakens anew. A familiar melody returns on wings of hope. Song echoes the eternal bond they share.
Now we must go.
Where we going? It's the end. Fading into light, where every end is a new beginning.